О котрій годині ти зазвичай приходиш додому?
What time do you usually come home?
What time do you usually come home?
Куди він хоче піти?
Where does he want to go?
Where does he want to go?
Що він зазвичай робить там?
What does he usually do there?
What does he usually do there?
Ти працюєш чи вчишся?
Do you work or study?
Do you work or study?
Що він хоче сказати?
What does he want to say?
What does he want to say?
На скількох мовах ви говорите?
How many languages do you speak?
How many languages do you speak?
Що ти робиш у вільний час?
What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
Скількома іноземними мовами ви володієте?
How many foreign languages do you speak?
How many foreign languages do you speak?
Що ти хочеш робити?
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Що ви хочете сказати?
What do you want to say?
What do you want to say?
Куди вона хоче зараз піти?
Where does she want to go now?
Where does she want to go now?
Що ти зазвичай там робиш?
What do you usually do there?
What do you usually do there?
Де ти хочеш працювати?
Where do you want to work?
Where do you want to work?
Ти вчишся чи працюєш?
Do you study or work?
Do you study or work?
Як часто ти дивишся цей канал?
How often do you watch this channel?
How often do you watch this channel?
О котрій годині ти зазвичай йдеш додому?
What time do you usually go home?
What time do you usually go home?
Що ти хочеш мені зараз сказати?
What do you want to tell me now?
What do you want to tell me now?
В який час ти зазвичай встаєш?
What time do you usually get up?
What time do you usually get up?
Як ви вивчаєте англійську?
How do you learn English?
How do you learn English?
Що ти хочеш сказати зараз?
What do you want to say now?
What do you want to say now?
О котрій годині ти зазвичай ходиш до школи?
What time do you usually go to school?
What time do you usually go to school?
О котрій годині він зазвичай дзвонить тобі?
What time does he usually call you?
What time does he usually call you?
В який час ти зазвичай лягаєш спати?
What time do you usually go to bed?
What time do you usually go to bed?
О котрій годині ти зазвичай ходиш на роботу?
What time do you usually go to work?
What time do you usually go to work?
Як часто ти дивишся телевізор?
How often do you watch TV?
How often do you watch TV?
Як часто ти ходиш туди?
How often do you go there?
How often do you go there?
Що ти зазвичай робиш вранці?
What do you usually do in the morning?
What do you usually do in the morning?
Що ти бажаєш робити у вільний час?
What do you prefer to do in your free time?
What do you prefer to do in your free time?
Як часто ви переглядаєте ці відеоуроки?
How often do you watch these video lessons?
How often do you watch these video lessons?
Як часто ти подорожуєш?
How often do you travel?
How often do you travel?
Як часто ти це робиш?
How often do you do it?
How often do you do it?
Що ти хочеш мені сказати?
What do you want to tell me?
What do you want to tell me?
Що він хоче робити?
What does he want to do?
What does he want to do?
Як часто ти зазвичай це робиш?
How often do you usually do it?
How often do you usually do it?
Що ти зазвичай робиш увечері?
What do you usually do in the evening?
What do you usually do in the evening?
Де ти хочеш навчатись?
Where do you want to study?
Where do you want to study?
Як часто він робить ці вправи?
How often does he do these exercises?
How often does he do these exercises?
Що ти зазвичай робиш у вільний час?
What do you usually do in your free time?
What do you usually do in your free time?
Що ти зазвичай робиш у другій половині дня?
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
What do you usually do in the afternoon?
Як ви бажаєте вивчати англійську мову?
How do you prefer to learn English?
How do you prefer to learn English?